Curious about why India's suddenly a magnet for billions in global cash? Let's break it down. So, here's the scoop. In just 1 year, India attracted $130 billion in foreign capital. But here's the twist. This isn't companies building factories or buying land. This is portfolio capital. Think hedge funds, pension giants, and big investors, all betting big on Indian markets. Why now? India's economy is growing fast, and global investors are taking notice. While China faces headwinds and uncertainty, India stands out for its stability, growth, and democratic setup. Investors love 3 things about India: growth potential, deep markets, and booming tech innovation. The Indian stock market is now among the world's top 5, and foreign portfolio investment, or FPI, is at an all-time high. But it's not just stocks. India's being added to major global bond indices, triggering billions in automatic passive investment. Add in the rise of Gift City, easier remittance rules, and Indian startups going global, and you see why $130 billion has arrived so quickly. Bottom line? The world's money is moving fast, and India is suddenly the destination of choice. It's not just about cheap labor anymore. It's about trust, growth, and new opportunities. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to Curious Minds for more fascinating content.